Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to activate Aviator Mastercard online. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. First, open a web browser of your choice. Soon after you do that, in the URL box type in aviatormastercard.com/activate. Press enter on your keyboard and you'll end up in this card activation page. Aviator Mastercard is a credit card issued by Barclays that allows you to earn miles on American airline flights and other purchases. To activate your credit card, go to the card number text box and enter the card number available right on your card, which is 16 digits long. It can be available either at the front or at the back. After you type it in, head over to the security code text box. Finding your security code is easy too. All you need to do is to turn your card at the back and you'll be able to see the 3-digit security code. Type it into the text box and on the next field, type in the last 4 digits of your social security number. Select your occupation from the drop down and finally click activate. Once your provided information are correct, you'll be able to activate your Aviator Mastercard online quick and easy. It is that simple. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.